So good.
It is so good.
You want to learn how to make fajitas? As I have cheese in my teeth? Welcome to the culinary crew.
Welcome to our kitchen.
Okay. All right, to start out, we are going to grease our 9x13 glass pan and preheat the oven to 400 degrees.
Copy that.
And it's time for the boring part. Cut everything up.
Okay. I'm going to cut the onion and veg. She's got the chicken.
And the chicken is more to trim because it's tenderloins instead of chicken breasts. Just trimming the junk off and slicing them into smaller pieces.
The trick to the onion, don't cry.
Yeah, all right. I'm gonna start crying already.
Because you're so happy.
Oh yeah, happy, happy, joy, joy.
Ugh, I hate taking the peel off anything. Alright, here we go. Ah. It's already getting to me. So happy.
We could try the trick that Anne tried.
What's that?
Put a spoon in your mouth. You want one to try it?
Nope.
Okay.
I'm a man.
You're gonna suck it up?
I'm a man.
You're gonna suck it up?
Yep.
You got this, son. You got it.
I'm a man. I'm good. I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
Did you just cut yourself?
Not bad.
That's why I'm not allowed sharp objects.
Oh, that's really nice. That's a really sharp knife.
That's probably why it's not so bad. Onions, you're almost always guaranteed to cry when you cut them, but the sharper the knife, the less likely you are.
So cut yourself.
But you're gonna cut yourself.
I'm a man, yes.
Oh man.
Yes.
You want to explain your easy way to cut a pepper instead of just cutting it?
Yeah, I guess.
You guess?
I should have done that before I started, but I just, this is exaggerated, but if you go around the seeds, you're less likely to get them in your slices, but it gets a little hard, tricky towards the end, because there's only so much you can do with holding it. Then you just have one big thing, goes in the garbage. All of these, for the most part, are clean of the seeds. There's a little bit of cleanup I need to do because I was just hurrying, but that's easy enough.
Because I'm going to beat you.
Oh, it's a race now. Oh, you're almost done.
Yeah, I'm almost done. That's what you get for cutting your hand.
Oh.
Are you done yet?
Yes,
Are you?
with that green pepper.
Now with the fajitas, you can do just green and red peppers or green and orange, or you can do all three.
Yeah, we're gonna make it beautiful.
We like color and we like the flavor of all of them, so we're going to do all of them.
And they only had a green one that was big. So we had to get these little ones. But
It's easier to cut the big ones.
yeah.
But you gotta make do with whatever store you go to at the moment. Unless you want to run all over the place.
And these I'm just cutting low enough on the stem that you don't get the eggs anyway. The eggs. You don't get the seeds anyway, so makes it easy. See? Ah, wow, that one didn't have much at all. Look
No,
at that.
not really. All right, Oh, oh. Found one more.
Oh, good.
I'm still gonna beat you.
Well, you're gonna beat me by a mile.
I know if a professional chef was watching me right now, they'd be cringing. But I'm not a professional, so I don't care. I guess I should care a little bit.
Ah, no.
And then, of course, the most important thing to do after cutting poultry, chicken, turkey, all that fun stuff is washing your hands really well. Because you don't want to get sick or die. This looks really good.
Yeah, it does. Are we done? Is that good, or do you want more?
I don't know. What do you think? Maybe a couple more?
Yeah, maybe a couple more.
Wish we could share smell. Oh, this smells so good. Onions are definitely a key ingredient.
And the oven's ready.
All right, should we start? Oh, you're cutting one more.
Is that gonna be enough?
I think so. I think that'll be good.
Perfect.
Are we ready to do step 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
To get to it.
All right.
Yeah. Okay, so I've got the ingredients in this bowl. I've got some cumin, some chili powder, some garlic powder, and some oregano. And I've got vegetable oil. All that's going to be in the description. And then she's
Diced green chilies and petite diced tomatoes. We're just dumping it right in the pan. Delish.
I think I'm going to win on this one.
You probably will. Because I forgot to open the tomatoes.
Other pull tabs are going to be easy.
Are you sure?
I've been wrong before.
Yeah, because sometimes you're smarter than me.
That's going to be really good.
Oof.
This is insane.
I know, I'm so excited. It's gonna be so juicy and right. Ooh, I can't wait. Okay, now we're gonna throw it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the chicken's cooked and the vegetables are soft. So we'll see you back here in a little bit.
When it's done.
Yep. This is so good.
Mm-hmm. This is the best we've ever done.
Mm-hmm.
So messy.
That's the sign of good food.
Mm.
You have got to try these.
Best we've ever done.
They're
By
so
far.
good. Mm-hmm.
Please comment, subscribe, hit the like button down below. I'll see you in the next video. Okay.
I think so.
I might cut myself. Has to be on camera.